When you're on the job, you need your tools to cut it. Hilmor's line of plastic tubing cutters can do just that. And when it's time to change the blade, it's never been easier with these simple steps. First, remove the 3 housing screws to separate the left and right housings. Then remove the E-clip and pin, and slide out the lower handle and blade. Slide the blade out of the lower handle and insert a new blade. Be sure to use caution, as the new blade is very sharp. Replace the spring in the upper handle by holding it in place while you join the 2 housings back together. But before you completely join the 2 housings, be sure to insert the rubber grip. Reassemble the cutter by inserting the pin and securing it in place with the E-clip. Then reinsert the 3 housing screws and tighten. Get in, get out, and get on to the next job. It's time to retool and conquer with Hilmor's plastic tubing cutters.
Cut-in boxes are hard to reach and usually too small for most hands to easily attach conduit connectors. Traditional methods of attaching lock nuts like a screwdriver, pliers, or fingers don't work. Klein Tools' Conduit lock nut wrench turns a complicated operation into an easy 2-hand task. Perfect for hard-to-reach 1/2-inch and 3/4-inch connectors, this lock nut wrench works in deep or tight boxes where pliers and fingers can't. The patent-pending drive shaft design lets you easily loosen and tighten conduit connectors using a stationary twisting motion. Heavy-duty steel construction enables needed torque to loosen or tighten connectors. The innovative Conduit lock nut wrench lets you work smarter, not harder, when installing lock nuts. Klein Tools.
Quickly install or remove tap fittings and retaining nuts on wash basins and sinks with KINCROME's adjustable basin wrench. With the ability to extend from 230 mils to 410 mils and locking into 4 positions, added with a spring-loaded swing jaw and pivot head, easily navigate those hard-to-reach places. With a chrome vanadium head and steel body with Tommy bar for leverage, KINCROME's adjustable basin wrench is designed tough and ready, ideal for the professional or DIY plumber.
The durable, forged high-carbon steel blades on Klein's all-purpose Electrician scissors maintain sharpness and outlast traditional stamp designs. The ergonomic handle design allows for multiple hold preferences, generous space for a traditional hold, as well as a longer top loop for added leverage when holding the scissors in your palm. This multi-purpose tool is packed with features. The stripping holes strip 19 and 23 AWG wire, two of the most common sizes. The cable cutting notch cuts up to 12 AWG wire. Use the notch in the tip to deburr electrical boxes. The longer handle provides for greater leverage when needed. The blades offer precision cutting all the way to the tip, which comes in handy in tight spaces. The serrated teeth allow for non-slip cutting action. The versatility and performance of Klein's all-purpose Electrician scissors are the next step in forged scissors. Klein Tools.
Archimedes once said, "Give me a big enough lever and I can move the world." MacTools says, "Challenge accepted." Introducing the MacTools line of strike-through pry bars. These pry bars feature a made-in-the-USA grip handle for ultimate comfort. With their strike-through caps, they're built shop tough, tough enough to withstand virtually any beating. The line comes complete with over 40 options to choose from, creating an impressive range from 8 to 58 inches long, and are available in straight, curved, and specialty positions for virtually any prying need. Our pry bars even come in 3 different color options: red and high-vis orange and green for easy identification. Talk to your local MacTools distributor today about adding our MacTools pry bars to your box.
Get a grip on greater productivity. Malco's forged AV's aviation snips now feature PowerFit Performance hand grips. Hands-on pros know the importance of grip fit and feel for their everyday use tools of the trade. PowerFit grips enhance snip maneuverability and the inline power stroke of the user's hand with improved ergonomic contours, protective hand guards, and non-slip gripping surfaces. Naturally contoured grips distribute gripping pressure evenly across the hand. Generous hand guards allow advancement of the AV's snip into material faster while preventing the user's hand from traveling forward over the blades. Grooves on the outer surfaces of the grips provide sure, non-slip control, even in damp or grimy work environments. Malco AV's aviation snips, now with PowerFit Performance grips. Look for them wherever professional tools are sold.
The Park Tool HMR8 Shop Hammer. Great for on-the-go mechanics, the HMR8 fits nicely in a toolbox and features a forged steel, precision machined striking face with a non-marring, replaceable composite head.